Welcome to the SMI MxM tutorials. Today I will introduce you to the SMI Lists MxM. This MxM provides simple tools to manipulate Medialon list objects, including combining, splitting, sorting, and ordering. Let's begin with the commands that can be used to create lists from other items: convert to Medialon list and list break-in. Both of these commands can output directly into list objects. Convert to Medialon list takes a single string and splits it into separate items based on the character you specify. List break-in allows you to define the exact items you would like in the list and at what starting index. Another command, list merge, is a slightly more advanced way to combine lists together to make a new list. You specify a series of input lists and a format. The command will then go through the format, and every time it encounters a %, will insert an item from one of the lists. This command can easily take data and format it into a usable view for the user. Once lists have been created, you can retrieve information from them. The list breakout command accesses items directly in a list. List calculation will perform math functions on the list. List search will find an item in a list. List filter will find all items in a list that contain the search term. Item order in a list can be very important. There are a few commands to assist you with this. List reverse will reverse all items in a list. List adjust position will let you move a single item up or down in a list, either relative to its current position or to an absolute position. List sort can sort a list either ascending, descending, or randomly. List sort also provides child lists. You can specify lists that are slaved to the master list, meaning every item in the child list will have the same order adjustment applied to it. This means that relative position between all items in the child lists will be maintained with the parent. And finally, removing items from a list. List remove allows you to remove duplicate items, empty items, items that fully match a string, or items that partially match a string. List resize will resize a list to the dimension you specify. If the list grows in size, you can have a custom string be the pad value. You can also configure which end of the list to add to or remove from, either the top or the bottom. These simple tools open the door to greater functionality of list objects. Tasks such as playlist ordering and sorting are now as easy as a single command. Thank you for watching this introduction to the SMI Lists MxM. If you have any questions, please visit our website, smart-monkeys.com.